Hi, my name is Kendra, and today we're going to be learning about the Rule of 72. What is the Rule of 72? The Rule of 72 is a shortcut to estimate the number of years required to double your money at a given annual rate of return. The rule states that you divide the rate expressed as a percentage into 72. Years required to double investment equals 72 divided by compound annual interest rate. Note that a compound annual return of 8% is plugged into this equation as 8, not as 0.08, giving a result of 9 years, not 900. Breaking down the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a useful shortcut because the equations related to compound interest are too complicated for most people to do without a calculator. To find out exactly how long it would take to double an investment that returns 8% annually instead of use the Rule of 72, one would have to use this equation. Most people cannot do logarithmic functions in their heads, but they can do 72 divided by 8 and get almost the exact same result. If it takes 9 years to double a $1,000 investment, then the investment will grow $2,000 in year 9, $4,000 in year 18, $8,000 in year 27, and so on. Conveniently, 72 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 12, making the calculation even simpler. The unit does not necessarily have to be money. The rule could apply to anything that grows, such as population. If gross domestic product, or GDP, grows at 4% annually, the economy will be expected to double in 72 divided by 4 to equal 18 years. Also, in regards to fees that cut into the investment gains, the Rule of 72 can be used to demonstrate the long-term effects of these costs. A mutual fund that has 3% of annual expense fees will cut the investment principal in half over 24 years. A borrower that pays 12% interest on his credit cards will double the amount he owes in 6 years. The rule can also be used to find the amount of time it takes for money's value to have due to inflation. If inflation is 6%, then a given amount of money will be worth half as much in 72 divided by 6 to equal 12 years. If inflation decreases from 6% to 4%, an investment will be expected to lose half its value in 18 years instead of 12.